everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Atri and I make videos related to makeup, skincare, beauty, hauls, etc, etc. So if this is something interests you, make sure to subscribe my channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started. So recently I have been doing a lot of reviews related to beauty products और बहुत ज़्यादा ही beauty products के बारे में मैं आपको बता रही थी. So I thought let's do a skincare video, and this video is specially for those who are stepping into their 30s or in their late 20s and they are very scared that our skin will sag and our skin will become very dry, or skin का जो वो glow है वो नहीं रहेगा. And guess what, today I am going to tell you, if you are going to follow this beauty regime, you have to follow this regime rigorously, and I know you will thank me later. And this regime can be stipulated according to your needs. This is the basic regime which I do on a daily basis, so that is why I get such good skin, I think. And yeah, my skin, I haven't applied any makeup. I have done my brows and a little bit of nude lipstick, so you can see my skin, it is glowy, I think so, because I take care of it very much. You cannot even imagine. Okay, so if you are a skincare enthusiast, you will understand where I am coming from. So without wasting any time further, let's get started. So it's very easy, guys. I will be showing you my daytime skincare routine and my nighttime skincare routine. तो ये जो है मैं ये daily करती हूँ, and I'm not showing you that extra weekly skincare routine. If you want that, just let me know. I will do a video on that also. And yeah, so let's get started. Now, before starting these things, there are a couple of things which you remember if you are stepping in your 30s और आप अगर early 30s में हो. So just remember to take enough sleep. Sleep is very important, guys. I cannot stress over how sleep is mandatory and how it becomes a very integral part of our beauty system. If you don't get that beauty sleep, I think you won't be able to get that glow on your face. Okay, and the second thing is that cut on your alcohol intake, and also if you smoke, just don't do that, because that just reflects on our skin a lot. So you need to cut on these things. And then lastly, I would say drink loads of water. I think everyone says that, but please drink loads of water. That you will see in your face after some time. So ये सारी बातों का ध्यान रखते हुए let's get started with the video. And if you don't know, let me tell you my age. I'm just going to be 30 in my 30s. So yeah, better late than never. Let's get started. Wait, this particular skincare regime I have been following since a year now, because I did not use actives earlier. I started using actives like since last year when this corona situation happened. So yeah, now let's get started. Guys, coming to my morning routine, what I like to do is as soon as I get up, I like to wash my face. And for washing my face, I use this Kama Ayurveda Rose and Jasmine face wash. Now this particular face wash is very lightweight. It has a gel watery like consistency, so you don't want to use a heavy cleanser on your face in the morning, because your skin does not need that heavy cleanser. Just use a cleanser potent enough to get out the actives, and जो भी आपने night cream लगाई है उसको निकालने के लिए this particular face wash is very good. I have one more option from Mother's Sparsh. So they also have this vanilla face wash, which is perfect for your morning time. So yeah, let's wash our face using this baby. So I'll show you the consistency. So do you see, this has a very watery type of consistency, which is very good for your face. And just massage it a little bit like so, and keep on massaging. So it does not foam, it foams a lot, but it depends how much you are taking. And now what you can do is, and now you can wash your face using plain clean water. Okay guys, now when our face is clean, when we have washed our face, after this stage I like using a rose water as my toner, and I have been using rose water, I don't know since when. So I like to use a rose water. This is from any brand. This is currently, I have a Khadi rose water filled into this spray packaging because I really love this spray packaging. I just have to spritz it on. So you can use any, you can use the even you can use the Kama Ayurveda one as well, that is also good. So don't have any option, you can use any. Okay, so just remember that should not have a lot of chemicals in it. Only a good trusted rose water is going to give your skin a glow. Now once I have used this rose water, next step which I do is, I have been doing it currently and I have been loving this. So I have been using the Dr. Sheth's vitamin C serum, Amla vitamin C serum. Now if you can tell, it's just about to get over. I am here guys, here. So please see, I am here and it's just about to get over. I literally loved this serum. So I like to take it on my palm because I don't directly use it on my face. So just tap it a bit and then apply in this manner. Now if I talk about vitamin C has so many benefits for our skin. Now first of all, it helps getting rid of the free radicals which is there when we age. It also gives us that eternal glow. It also makes sure that we don't have those dark spots which comes with as soon as we age. So, and why I like Dr. Sheth's one, because it has vitamin E, and the vitamin C which is being used here is stabilized. So I have made a detailed review on this product. You can go and check out my channel. I have made a detailed review. So I do this, and I would request you to also use vitamin C in your regime, and you will definitely see a change that I have seen. Also apply a little bit on your neck. And now once you are done with this, now because it is summers these days, so I don't like to use a lot of cream, but the one cream which I love using is by Pilgrim, and this is how this cream looks like. Again, I have done a dedicated review on this. You can check out my channel and check the review out. Now this is their Secrets of Vinotherapy Red Wine Face Cream with SPF 30, and again it has vitamin C and rosehip oil. So even if you are skipping the vitamin C serum, you can definitely use this out. Only thing which I don't like is it has a lot of fragrance, and that is the reason I don't like it that much. And the texture of the cream is very lightweight. I mean, yeah, it is gel consistency guys, so yeah it won't feel heavy, so it's perfect for these summers. And what I like about it is that it does have an SPF, but guys, one more thing I'll tell you, use a separate SPF, please. I mean, please use a separate SPF, because sometimes what happens, the SPF which is there in the creams, is not sufficient for us. So that is why we need to use a separate SPF. Alrighty, so we have applied this cream. This cream can make your skin heavy if you apply a lot of it. So I would suggest you guys to apply only a teeny tiny bit. And sometimes I do skip this moisturizer because I feel that it makes my skin very sticky. But right now, if I take a very little amount, then my skin becomes non-sticky. Now for the SPF part, so I was using this Earth Rhythm SPF. This is their Daily Defense Sun Fluid. Even though I am using it till now, and you can see I am just going to get over it. So this is a little bit hydrating on your skin. So if you have a dry skin, you can definitely check this out because it has coconut water. So it's very good for your hydration. You who are like me, who don't like so much hydration going on their face, you can definitely use this. This is the Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals SPF, and this also has SPF 50. But the good thing is, first of all, it has a spray packaging. So you can just spray that on your skin. That's it. And also this is matte. It is going to give me a matte finish. So that is what I like about it. It does not give me oily finish. And this is the thing which I absolutely love. Give this some time to soak into your skin. This is going to soak into my skin in no time, and your skin will look again very flawless. And that's how my skin looks. Only skincare, nothing else. I know this is an elaborative skincare. You might get bored, but I can guarantee you if you use these products and if you use this skincare routine, you will definitely thank me later. Right guys, so now I'm going to show you my skincare routine, which I usually do in the night time. Nighttime skincare is a little bit more elaborated than this one, but first of all, it is very important to wash your face, because first thing, you have applied so many things. You have applied a sunscreen, so it's very important to take it out using a good face wash. And you know, sometimes people ask me that we are not using makeup, so is it still necessary to wash our face? Yes, it is necessary, because that sunscreen will not go itself. So for night time, I like using this one. This is the Requil's oil free face wash, oil control face wash. So this is again very good for your night time. Even in the daytime you can use this, but I prefer using this one in the night time, as I have so much of gunk going on my face. If I have makeup, I clean my makeup and then I wash my face using this. And the days when I'm not applying any makeup, just these skincare products, still I use this one. So yeah, the next step will be washing your face for nighttime skincare routine. Again, this has a very gel sort of consistency, and it is not very harsh for your skin. Again, lathers pretty well. You know, lathers such nicely, and it just takes care of all the gunks and everything. Just make sure to massage a bit before washing your face. And now you can wash your face again using plain clean water. Now my skin is you know, well washed. Now I'm going to use a toner, and this time I'm going to use a glycolic acid toner. And for that, I like using the Dermafique Cell by Cell toner, and I have been using this from quite some time now. Now this is not very potent. That means this will be very good for beginners. If you are a beginner, you must try this one. This has glycolic acid, and the percentage of glycolic acid, this one is very low, and it is paraben free as well. So I just love pouring this on my, you know, hands like so, and then I just do like this and apply on my skin. And let this sit for a while, because this is an exfoliating toner, so you need to you know, give this a little bit time to soak into your skin. And till then, what you can do is one more thing I just wanted to add. Now in this regime, I don't use an eye cream rigorously, because what I do, I use my night cream under my eyes, because I don't have that much of dark circles. But if you are someone who like using an eye cream, so definitely I will recommend you the eye cream by Mother Sparsh. It's a really good eye cream. I will leave the link in the bottom bar. Now I'm not using it right now, but I some days use eye cream as well. So you can definitely make use of that. And if you don't want to get another eye cream, so you can, you know, use your skincare product under your eyes very gently. So now once the exfoliating toner, you know, is settled, so now what we have to do is, one more thing which I want to add: do not use an exfoliating toner every day. I just use it only twice a week. And the days when I don't use this, I like using this. This is by, again, Wine Therapy. This is Pilgrim Wine Therapy. This has niacinamide and aloe. So I love using this on the days I don't use this Dermafique one. Now after that, After that, I love using this serum. This is by Dr. Sheth. This is their Centella and Niacinamide serum. Now that's how it looks like. An amazing concoction of Centella and Niacinamide. I use it every day, and this you can use in in the daytime or in the night time, depends on you. Now just have to pat it on your skin like so and leave it for 5 minutes. Now I have done a dedicated review on these products. You can check out the dedicated review on this one. Now see, you can see it goes inside and it works for my skin, and I leave that for some time like that. Last step, not last, second last step in this regime is my night cream. This is by Kama Ayurveda. Now this is a little bit heavy, I know. This is their brightening Ayurvedic night cream. So because it's night time and you have to go to sleep, so that's why I love using this one. The texture is again very creamy, so you can use this at night. It won't harm your skin. So because I am just showing you for the demonstration purpose, I have not taken that much. But if you're a dry skin, you will love this. Even it works for my oily skin at night, and that's how I love massaging my skin. Little bit of movement. By the way, I also use jade roller sometimes. Let me know if you want to see how to use a jade roller. I can tell you. Fine. Now once this is set, some days I go extra and I'm going to show you. I use this overnight renew gel. This is the last step in my skincare regime, and this has 70% snail mucin in it, and this is healing and soothing gel mask for sensitive skin. Because I am from sensitive skin type, so I love using this as my last step. It just calms down my redness and everything. It is just like your sleeping mask. So going to take not much, only this much, and just apply it properly. Just you have to apply on your face evenly, and don't be very generous when you are applying this. Your skin will thank you later. Alright guys, with this we complete our daytime and nighttime skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you want to know my weekly skincare routine, let me know. I will be love to make that video. And you can see my skin looks so glowy and so hydrating. After this, just sleep. Don't worry about anything. So like I told you, I don't use a lot of eye cream. So what I do is I just use my night cream only under my eyes, because this does have healing properties. So it works great as a good alternative for your eye cream. And that's how this is. This has haldi as well, which is pigmentation. And so because I am sitting in front of my ring light, I'm feeling so hot guys. Generally I don't feel this hot when I sleep. So this will make sure that your skin gets very good hydration, and you can see my skin is glowy now. That's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe, like. बहुत मन से वीडियो बनाती हूँ, बहुत कॉन्सेप्ट सोच के लाती हूँ. गाइस सब्सक्राइब कर दो, लाइक कर दो, एंड आई विल सी यू गाइस इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन यू गाइस टेक केयर. बाय बाय.